If you're searching for the best AI software, especially one that's just been released, you've probably heard of Typoro AI. But what exactly makes it stand out? And is it worth your time? In this Typoro AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you access to try this software completely free. First off, Typoro AI is brand new on the market, and it's already catching attention for its ability to streamline workflow with impressive speed. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or business owner, this software claims to simplify your tasks in ways traditional tools just can't. One of the first features that really set Typoro AI apart is its ability to generate highly effective copy with minimal input. We're talking about everything from ad copy to social media posts and even blog articles. If you're tired of staring at a blank page or struggling to find the right words, Typoro does the heavy lifting for you. All it needs is a few keywords or a brief prompt, and it delivers high-quality content in seconds. Now here's where it gets interesting. Typoro doesn't just write content, it analyzes your existing content, optimizing it for SEO. This is crucial if you're in the digital marketing space, as the software can recommend changes that will improve your rankings, all based on current algorithms and search patterns. It's like having a personal SEO consultant right on your team, 24/7. Another thing that makes Typoro AI unique is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're new to AI tools, you won't feel overwhelmed. The dashboard is intuitive, and everything is laid out in a way that makes sense. Typoro's design focuses on minimizing complexity, which makes it an excellent choice for people who want results without needing a steep learning curve. Now, if you've been struggling with email marketing, Typoro AI also has a feature that helps craft personalized emails. Not only does it ensure the tone and style match your brand, but it tailors the message to individual recipients based on their past interactions. This feature can help you connect with customers on a deeper level, boosting engagement and conversions. You might be wondering how well Typoro integrates with your existing tools. Well, it plays well with popular platforms like Google Docs, WordPress, and most social media scheduling tools. This means you can incorporate Typoro into your existing workflows without needing to overhaul your entire setup. One of the key advantages of Typoro AI is its scalability. Whether you're a small business owner or a larger enterprise, Typoro adapts to your needs. If you want to generate hundreds of pieces of content for different campaigns, it can handle that too. This flexibility makes it a viable tool for both startups and well-established companies. Finally, let's talk about the results. After testing Typoro AI, it's clear this software delivers real value, especially in terms of saving time and improving content quality. If you're looking to boost your productivity while maintaining high standards in your marketing or content creation, Typoro is definitely worth checking out. And hey, you can try Typoro AI for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say this one stands out in the crowd. So if you're interested in tools that actually work, I've included my recommended AI software list below for you to try as well. Don't miss out on the chance to try Typoro for free. Check the link and get started today.